I'm Jen from Belkin. Thanks for visiting our booth. I wanted to walk you through some of our smart home products that we're announcing this year at CES. The first is our Wemo Doorbell. This doorbell works with Apple HomeKit. It is easy to install with a partner of ours, OnTech, and it works with HomeKit Secure Video. I want to show you the most exciting part of this product is the 178-degree view of the camera. I'm not sure if that's going to show up, but as you can see all the way down on the ground where the package is actually on the ground. So this view is really incredible. It's unmatched in the industry, actually. The night vision is also really crisp and clear, much brighter than competitors. HomeKit Secure Video has features like facial recognition, so it can tell you when your daughter has walked into the house or when your wife has come home, things like that. I want to show you the comparison of the night vision. It really makes a big difference. All right. Next over here, we have Wemo products that many people already know and love. The very simple smart plug and a light dimmer and a light switch. What's interesting about this year is that we're going to make these products Thread enabled and Matter compatible. So when Matter launches later this summer, we will be one of the first to market. Over here for the Belkin products, we have our latest, most high-end true wireless earbud. This one is called Immerse. It features active noise cancellation, 36 hours of playtime, 3 microphones in the earbud itself. It's water resistant and sweat-proof, and it works with Apple's Find My. So, gotta check it out.